What are the construction crew up to today? An obstacle course? That looks like so much fun. Digley is digging a hole. And it looks like Bump is putting a ramp in place. The crew are all lined up and ready to test it out. The first one to get to the finish line gets that shiny trophy. Ready, set, go! CJ's in the lead. She's looking pretty fast. Digley is a bit behind, but he's trying his best. Oh no! CJ has gone face first into the mud pit obstacle and is now stuck in the mud. Now Bump is in the lead. The mud is no problem for his big crawler tracks. Up the ramp, now it's time to cross the narrow bridge. Bump is up first. What was that? A wrecking ball? Oops! Bad luck, Bump. Mrs. Skip is controlling the wrecking ball as another obstacle to get past. Nice dodge, Daisy. You can't beat a wrecking ball with a wrecking ball. Whoa! What knocked CJ over? It's Mr. Rubble. He's using a paint blaster to try and knock them off. Daisy's really good at dodging them. Careful, Digley. Phew, he caught himself on the monkey bars. He might be slow on his crawler tracks, but he's super fast when he's using his strong arm. Digley and Daisy are almost at the finish line. It's so close, they've just got to get down the ramp. Whoa! They cross the line together. Looks like they both came in first place. Well done, guys.
Digley and his trusty crew are building a windmill. Oh, round, round, round they go. Round, round, round they go. Round, round, round they go. Let's get building, here we go. Build the sails, build the tower. Press the button, give it power. Digley and his trusty crew are building a windmill. Oh, oh no, here comes snow. Oh no, here comes snow. Oh no, here comes snow. It looks like they've got to go. Stuck inside, nowhere to go. Open order blocked by snow. Digley and his trusty crew are building a windmill. Oh, dig, dig, dig the snow. Dig, dig, dig the snow. Dig, dig, dig the snow. Let's get digging, here we go. Almost there, it's frozen still. Who can help us? Daisy will. Digley and his trusty crew are building a windmill. Oh, round, round, round it goes. Round, round, round it goes. Round, round, round it goes. The windmill has just cleared the snow.
Wow, it's a wonderful snowy day at Construction HQ. What are they building today? A gingerbread house? Mmm, tasty. Look at all that gingerbread. Ooh. They're building the house at the top of that hill. Whoa, it's a long way up and a steep climb. Be careful, Bump. Oh no! A piece of gingerbread has snapped. But Mrs. Skip is collecting the pieces. I wonder why. They're at the top. It's time to build. Go team! Good job, Digley and Daisy. Now CJ is gluing the walls together with icing sugar. Be careful, Daisy. That gingerbread breaks very easily. Uh-oh! CJ's to the rescue. Watch out, Mr. Rubble. Oh dear. Digley is lifting the next piece. Oh no, not again. Be careful, everyone. This is very tricky. The gingerbread keeps breaking. They're working as a team to glue the broken pieces back together. It worked! Wow! Look at that gingerbread house. That was great teamwork, everyone. It looks very tasty. Nope, Daisy. This gingerbread isn't for eating. But Mrs. Skip has made snacks out of the broken gingerbread pieces. Yippee! Now this gingerbread you can eat, Daisy. Yum, yum. Delicious. It's almost Christmas, and the construction crew are building the Christmas market. There is so much to do. Everyone is really busy. What's that, Mr. Rubble? Is that a brand new entrance built out of coloured blocks for the market? Amazing! Here comes Bump with the blocks. Wow, they look heavy. What's Digley doing? He can't get it to stay still. Bump is going to help him. Teamwork is the key. Wow, that big hit made everything shake. Oh no, the blocks are rolling away. Now the wagon is stuck on the frozen pond. What are they going to do? What's that sound? Oh no, the blocks fell through the ice and sank into the pond. How will they build the arch now? Poor Mr. Rubble. Daisy seems to have an idea. What is she up to? Whoa! Daisy made a block out of ice. What an amazing idea! They can use the ice blocks to build the arch. Daisy is getting them out of the pond and Digley is making the arch. Last few for CJ to move. There! They made it! Here comes Mr. Rubble. Yay! He looks so happy. Well done, everyone.
Working hard with the crew, they all have a job to do. Everyone is helping. Watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow. Here comes Bump, roll along. Uh-oh, all the plans are wrong. He can't speed up and that isn't bad, but moving slowly makes him sad. Working hard with the crew, they all have a job to do. Everyone is helping, watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow. Working hard with the crew, they all have a job to do. Everyone is helping, watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow. Working hard with the crew, they all have a job to do. everyone is helping. Watch them as they go. Some are fast and some are slow.
Brr. It's a cold winter's day, and it's been snowing. Digley is making sure everyone is nice and warm by putting their woolly hats on. One for Bump. And one for Daisy. Oh no! The hat doesn't fit Daisy, but she's so excited to play in the snow that she leaves without it. Wow! It's very cold today. Daisy is a bit chilly. Everyone is having so much fun. Well, not everyone. Amber is trapped by the snow. Not to worry, the gang are here to save the day. Whoa! That was a big sneeze, Daisy. She's feeling a little bit poorly. Bump is clearing the way. Oops! Oh dear! Daisy is very cold and not feeling well at all. Poor Daisy. Nope. Amber says she needs to get some rest. They can finish the job tomorrow. Daisy is warming up by the fire and is feeling a little bit better now. Mrs. Skip has an idea. She's going to knit some new hats for the gang. Wow, what a lovely hat. Daisy is feeling much better now. She's had some rest and a new hat is keeping her warm. Go on, Daisy. She is back to her usual self. Hooray!
Playing out at Halloween, lots of fun and mystery. Playing out at Halloween, it's so spooky. The sky is clear, the moon is out. There may be ghouls and ghosts about. We all scream, we all shout. Look, there's a haunted house. Playing out at Halloween, lots of fun and mystery. Playing out at Halloween, it's so spooky. It's moving. This is pretty frightening. Playing out at Halloween, lots of fun and mystery. Playing out at Halloween, it's so spooky. At Halloween, we all solve the mystery. Playing out at Halloween, it's so spooky.